Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix wireless capability is turned off error in Windows 11. 10.8. 7. First method is, some laptops have a Wi-Fi button that can be switched on or off. The location of the button varies, but most frequently it's found on the front edge or just above the keyboard. When enabled, the button is typically illuminated in blue or green. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Configure. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.